Couldn't breathe for a moment because Dubai's nightlife hit me like a dream I never wanted to wake up from. Namaste, beautiful people. You are with me, Isha, and this is my channel, Isha Beyond Borders. We are heading to the most massive and magical clubs in Dubai. Sky 2.0 is anchored in the heart of Dubai Design District. Check this out. This place is unreal. If you have ever wanted to feel like you're on the top of the world, this is it. It's an experiential trailblazer. Sky 2.0 definitely promises an unforgettable evening under the stars. The VIP lounges are a whole mood if you want to chill out in style. But if you're ready to put your dancing shoes on, the main floor is where the magic happens. So that was our first nightlife destination. That's a fantastic start, isn't it? Here's how you can get here. It's located in Dubai Design District. Hi guys, I was hungry and it's time for dinner, so I thought of exploring the Dubai Mall. Just have a look at it, it's magnanimous. You have all brands here, right from Burberry to Jimmy Choo to Burma, you name it and they have it. Come, let's explore. Look at this beauty. If you're looking for a premium dining experience in Dubai, then the doors it is. Don't forget to visit this restaurant at the Dubai Mall, which has amazing menu, exotic food items. Look at the ambience, it's beautiful and the hospitality is beyond any expectations. Of course, you get to visit the fountain from this balcony and definitely one of the places that you must never ever miss. And visit to Dhumtana Derina in Dubai. If you want to head for a dinner date before hitting the clubs or make your stomach do a happy dance, then this is your place to go. Doors made my heart go dum ta na tanum ta tare na re dum ta na ta dum ta tare na re dum ta na tere na. Location which is doors on the 4th floor in the Dubai Mall. It's just in downtown and it's going to be walkable. You can expect some gourmet dishes, fountain view with an amazing ambience. I know that we were talking about offbeat places in Dubai and behind me is the Burj Khalifa. Don't judge me before you get inside because I'm going to take you to a super happening club. Finally at the most happening destination, Armani Private. If you're in Dubai and if you're looking for clubbing, then this is one destination that you should not miss. I can hear the buzz right outside and can't wait to go inside and see what it has to offer. Come. We are now heading to a place when you will walk into this, all you will see is a 10 on 10. Here we are at the uber cool Armani Private Club. From the moment I arrived, I was immersed in a world of refined elegance that perfectly mirrors the Armani brand. The atmosphere is as luxurious as the brand itself, with every detail from the stylish decor to upscale ambience designed to impress. And here are few Isha's tips. Arrive in style. The price is slightly higher but makes your experience worth it. And it's always a good idea to check out their Instagram for latest events. Was Armani Pride for you guys? It's walkable from downtown, good music, food and beverage, famous for the best clubbing experience. So we're here at the Luluya beach for camping tonight. I was super excited for this adventure. We are going to Magical Island and we're gonna have dinner over there. We're going via this yacht and yeah, once we're there it's gonna be dinner, some campfire, music and then sleeping overnight in a tent, and morning is gonna be some water activities. Let's get going. We are taking this cute little boat to spend a night under the stars. If you want to spend some time in nature, under the moonlight and stars, then adventure here at Magical Land overnight camping tour. Let's get started. Camping in UAE has always been on my mind. So when I found out about island camping from Khor Fakkan, I immediately booked the spot. I'm going to share the details in the description. The tent costs about 500 dirhams and I thought of sharing it with another female traveler. The boat ride was definitely nerve-wracking at first, but Bollywood music and vibe made it fun. Finally, we are here. To be honest, I was a little bit nervous and it was that bit difficult ride over here. But once we land on this magical island, it looks pretty chilled out, pretty cozy. I think the best way to enjoy here is to be here with your friends or family. That is my tent. I was supposed to share it with some other girl, but she didn't show up, so this is all mine for tonight. Once I reached the island, I quickly stashed my things and enjoyed an Indian dinner with the group. Here we have some hot Indian food. There is also some veg options. I have noodles, I have dal rice and some curry. We gathered around a bonfire, bonding over music with the rest of the group. When I went to sleep, I realized it was so cold and I bundled up. Lesson learned, pack more warm clothes. But overall, it turned out to be a unique and unforgettable experience. The morning, however, was absolutely worth it. The sunrise looked beautiful. And though I woke up a little bit late, I quickly freshened up and took a peaceful stroll along the beach. So guys, we are at the magical island which is near Khor Fakkan. We took an overnight boat and we reached here. We were a group of about 17 people, but they can accommodate up to 100 people. So you need to make your prior bookings though. One tent is roughly around 500 dirhams, which includes your cost of travel, your overnight stay. They also provide dinner and breakfast. There is bonfire, and right now they're going to take us for some water activities like swimming, snorkeling and kayaking. Once we were on the main boat, we had some breakfast and then got ready for water activities. I'm excited. So we've stopped near the Shark Island from our magical island, and here we are doing the water activities. We're going to do kayaking and snorkeling and also swimming, which I don't know. I was excited to try kayaking on my own because I am not much of a swimmer. But definitely this was a memorable experience. Afterwards, we made our way back to the port, bringing an unforgettable adventure to an end. So finally we are back to the port and that's the boat behind us, heading towards my car to get back to the city. It was definitely a worth experience, and one very important tip, please carry good warming clothes because I kind of underestimated that, and I did take a blanket with me. I also had a shawl, but it was damn cold in the night and you wouldn't believe I had to put on that blanket. I put on a shawl, I wore my wind cheater, I had a towel and I also put on that towel, but it didn't help and I thought I would freeze to death by morning, but Here I am, alive and kicking. Guys, this is not a part of Dubai. It's close to Fujairah, which is another emirate. You can take a bus from Dubai to Khor Fakkan and then take a cab. Unleash your wild side at this electric place. We are at the Avenue Club Shangri-La, and man, this was such a vibe. If you're looking for a spot with great music, energetic atmosphere, and a serious dose of style, you're in the right place. The moment I walked in, I was just struck by how cool everything looked. The decor is sleek and modern with stunning lighting that really sets the mood. It's the kind of place where you will feel like you're in the middle of the action, yet everything feels polished and upscale. Now let's talk about the music. It's honestly one of the best things about the Avenue Club. The DJ had the crowd moving all night with energetic beats to smooth grooves, keeping the energy high. Whether you are on the dance floor or just vibing at the bar, the music is spot on. But what really made my night here were the incredible female performers. They brought in so much energy and flair to the night, making the whole place feel alive with their stunning performances. And if you're into drinks and shisha, you're in for a treat. The cocktails are on point and they've got amazing selection of shisha too. And here's a quick Isha tip. Pre-booking is recommended. The Avenue Club is located at the Shangri-La Hotel on Sheikh Zayed Road. It's just 15 minutes via cab from downtown. If you are someone who likes to walk and explore, dine, take a stroll by the sea, then walk at the JBR is for you. So I just got to know that the JBR walk is a very happening place in this town, and today is our last night in Dubai. Let's have a look around. So that one which looks like the Big Ben from London, currently I think it's not operational, but yet it looks very pretty. So from the localites here I got to know that this is like you could call it as an entertainment zone. All in all, there's a lot of shopping, lot of food, lot of fun activities, and on the other side of this place is the beach. So all you Indian spice lovers, behind me is the Buffalo Wild Wings owned by the iconic star from India, Allu Arjun. So I've been looking at this Big Ben. I don't know what it exactly is called in Dubai, but it has always looked very small to me, and here now that we have a closer look at how big it is. So if you're looking for Indian cuisine in Dubai, and then do come to JBR and visit the Bombay Bungalow. It offers Indian cuisine, mostly North Indian cuisine, and it's fusion food. So towards this side of the JBR is street food. You can take a walk and have a lot of different things like corn and cheese, crepes, hot chips, there's Häagen-Dazs ice cream, and a lot of other mini shopping stuff to look at. So no matter which part of the world you're from, I'm sure JBR Walk has enough restaurants and outlets to satisfy your taste buds. Talk about clubs and restaurants, Dubai never has a step back. It has got the most premium clubs, lounges, restaurants, loving the interiors. This one is Smoky Beach, which is at JBR Walk. Guys, the JBR Walk is a whole vibe. So in case you have some time and you're not sure what to do, then just take a walk around. So this looks like a kids zone. There are a lot of activities, fun games, rides for kids to enjoy. So yes, if you have kids, you can definitely come along with them and make the most out of your evening. So Dubai is the place where you can actually rent your dream cars, whatever it may be. It could be a supercar, and here is the lineup of Ferrari. I absolutely loved hanging out at Lock Stock Barrel Club, the perfect spot for good food, live music, and great memories with friends. The in-house band is always bringing vibrant energy, making it an amazing vibe all night. The food is classic pub fare done right. Juicy burgers, crispy wings, and delicious pizzas with fresh ingredients. The service stands out too, with super friendly staff who make you feel right at home. Their brunch is a must, tasty options, and unlimited drinks. Whether you're catching a game or enjoying a night out, Lock, Stock, Barrel will not disappoint you. So this is Lock, Stock, Barrel at the Grand Millennium Mall. While I was here on a Monday evening, so it was rather dull, but if you like live music, the old 90s and 80s guitar kind of vibe, then I'm sure you'll love the place. The food was great, the hospitality was very quick, and I love the ambience overall. So do give it a try. The last location in our nightlife video, which is Lock, Stock, Barrel, takes about 20 minutes via cab from downtown. Those were the nights to remember. For more beautiful destinations and hidden gems, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon on my channel, Isha Beyond Borders, so that you never miss a trip. Until next time, keep exploring and living life one destination at a time.